How to make cinematic videos in less than 5 minutes. From boring to epic. Stay close. To be able to do this effect, you need ND filters. Those filters have different values depending on how much light there is around. The more light there is recommended using the 32 or 64 ones. If you are in the forest, I think 16 or 8, it's a good choice. To get the best sound possible, you need 2 microphones, one in your helmet and one in your pants or backpack. And they should have wind protection. The 2 microphones connect to the DJI Action 5 Pro camera on 2 wireless channels, which helps a lot in editing to choose which sound you choose. Turn noise reduction off and set microphone to -12. White balance must be set on 5600. If you want to have the blur effect, you have to set 1/50 or 1/60 and variable ISO between 100 and 3200. You have to put the video in D-Log 10-bit if you want to edit. Texture and noise reduction on -2. The video has to be in a 4K format, 4:3, for the camera to record gyro data. Image stabilization must be turned off. And you must set the video to wide or ultra wide. Those are the camera settings and the ND filters that I use. What's special about this ND filter is that you can also set the polarization of the image. So, to achieve this effect you need 2 programs. One is Gyroflow and the second is DaVinci, where you edit all your footage. So, open file, search for a file. Bam, 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 bam. Wait until the program does its magic. The most important setting is smoothness. I like to put here from 2 to 5, I guess. And everything is gonna be smooth, buttery smooth, you know? Like this. Perfect. The rest, they're not that important. So, zoom limit, zooming speed, lens correction, okay. But this is the most important part, export settings. You need this 265 HEVC because you need this no compression file for DaVinci. After this, you export and then you go in DaVinci, create a new timeline. I use 4K, bang, 25 FPS because this is the settings of my camera. Create, drag and drop. Now you can see the file. Smooth, bang. If you want to add the film look effect, you need to go to effects, filters, film look creator. But before this, you need to go to color, Shift S, add the DJI log M, D-Log M from DJI to colorize your footage. And then if you want to add an extra look, film look, you need to search film look creator in effects, filters, and in the right here you can set everything you want. It's a very complex effect. I don't like the flicker, the grain, the bloom, but the rest I think it's okay. You can add a lot of things. I hope this tutorial will help you make quality and cinematic videos. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And let's see what I did, if it looks good.
Adrenaline junkies. Dai, că mergem în tandem, Răzvi, hai! E mai tare în tandem! Nu, du-te că mergem în tandem, du-te! Dă-i! Hai, Răzvane, dă-i!